How to log in into your HelloFresh account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video by AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your HelloFresh account. So let us begin. First, open up any web browser. After you open it up, just search for HelloFresh. After you search for HelloFresh, just go to its website. You can directly go to www.hellofresh.com too. After the page loads, you will see the login option on the top right. Just tap on login, and here you will need to type in your email and then password that you used while you were setting up the account. After you've done that, tap on login. If you want to toggle this on, it will help you log in easier for the next time. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password and then reset it. Now, if you don't have an account, there is also a sign up option. The simplest way to log in would be signing in with Google. So that is how you can log in to your HelloFresh account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.